Yeah.
Yeah. It's ready to eat right away. Yeah, if you need a taste, you just talk. You have a taste right away.
Right away.
Yeah. Yes, people, welcome to the Jamaican Canadian Family Channel. This is what we're preparing. Some jerk rabbit. But we have to do it like this before we jerk it. We boil it off in some water. Pepper elder leaf, pimento leaf, pepper, pimento seed, scallion, and a little salt. Yeah? And then this is where it's boiling. So we're going to ready it up now to jerk it. Yeah?
Season it up.
Yeah, we're going to put it on the grill now. Yeah? 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 Alright, this is all the spice what we're gonna use to jerk the rabbit. First we keep a little coloring, a little flavoring in the water. Yeah. Second we put in some garlic, pimento leaf, scallion, country and town thyme. Onion. Yeah, pepper elder leaf, all these ingredients. Yeah, all right. Yeah. Well, with all of this spice, now we're going to sprinkle some on the meat. Yeah. Yeah. And then you rub it in. Yeah. Rub it in. Now all this spice soak. Yeah. And you ready this now for the grill. Gonna put this on the grill now. Yeah. Then we're gonna put the rabbit on this. Yeah. Put the rabbit on this and make him jerk down. Steam down because all of this is seasoning, spice for the meat.
Pimento.
Yeah, all of this is spice for the meat.
Pimento and pepper.
All of this spice, you know. And cover him down and make him stay there and jerk down, you know. Yeah. Jerk some rabbit and chicken. Yeah. This is the rabbit here. Yeah. 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 This is how we jerk the rabbit. Yeah. Turn around, look on this side. Yeah. You want the taste? Looking good. Yeah. Coming with the lobster next. Yeah. Alright. All these now we just put them on the grill. Just like them look. Same way. Spice them up. Yeah, next one, yeah. Some grilled lobster we have here. Yeah. You put the spice all over inside of them. Give it the flavor. Yeah.
Them about talk about Mr. Whale. Some lobster and
Yeah.
Trail.
Yeah.
The champagne like the main.
Yeah. That's a chunk fish. We're gonna roast him.
Full of flesh inside.
Yeah. Of all the flesh inside of this shell. So when you roast him, all this shell come off easily. And you get all the flesh to eat. But if you look on him, you don't eat him. But he's a nice fish to eat. And then right here. Hold the hand, T-Bag. Pass around us. Right. This is what to do. Yeah. And do it like that. Yeah. Yeah. All right, that's it. Yeah. Yeah, well, it's ready for the grill. Yeah. Yeah, this is a little after sauce. You mix it up and you put it. Yeah. Yeah, man, this is ready, you know, we just spice him up and make him ready to eat. Yeah. This is rabbit. Jerk rabbit. Yeah. Yeah. It's ready to eat right away. Yeah, if you need a taste, you just talk. You have a taste right away. JamaicaCanadianFamily.com. Check me out. Roast fish, roast lobster, jerk chicken, and jerk rabbit. We have on the menu. Yeah, you need a taste? Check me out. JamaicaCanadianFamily.com. Yeah.
This ready, man.
Yeah, man, this ready to go, you know. Ready to eat. Some jerk fish, jerk lobster, and jerk chicken. All in one. On the JamaicaCanadianFamily.com. One stop. If you need this, check out the .com. And you have all of this. Everything jerk now, and we put them in our separation and then you don't know, you know? Alright. I hit that the next thing, yeah. Yeah, good. Good to go.
Big one.
Yeah, big one. Yeah. JamaicaCanadianFamily.com. One stop. Jerk lobster, roast fish, jerk chicken. And guess what? Some jerk rabbit.
And they're ready, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, man. You know, look at them feel nice and eat, yeah? Yeah. Watch the menu. This is some jerk chicken right here. Sweet and nice. Have a taste. And over here, we have some jerk lobster. Yeah, my friend is enjoying himself.
Yeah,
He's not
good.
talking, but
Tastes good.
he's enjoying himself. And over here, we have some jerk rabbit. Over here. You need a taste? Come over.
Yeah.
You get all of this that you see before. Jerk fish, jerk lobster, jerk chicken,
Jerk rabbit.
jerk rabbit. OneStop.com, Jamaica Canadian Family Channel. Big up yourself. every time